Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an exciting topic that's been buzzing a lot lately. Facebook Boost Post. If you've been looking to expand your reach on Facebook, stick around as we're diving deep into what it is, how to do it, and some key strategies to maximize your results. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our tech tips and tricks. Now let's get started. First off, let's talk about what a Facebook Boost post is. Simply put, it's a feature that allows you to pay to amplify the reach of your Facebook post. Whether it's a status update, a photo, or a video, boosting can help your content reach more people, including those who don't already follow your page. But you might wonder, well, with organic reach on the decline, boosting is an effective way to ensure your content gets seen by a broader audience, be it for brand awareness, website traffic, or sales. Now, let's walk through the steps to boost a post. It's easier than you might think. Step 1, go to your Facebook page and find the post you want to boost. Click on the Boost Post button right below the post. Step 2. This opens the Boost Post menu. Here you'll define your goal. Do you want to get more website visitors, engagement, or messages? Choose the one that fits your objective. Next up, targeting. Facebook allows you to create a specific audience based on age, gender, interest, and location. This ensures your boosted post reaches the right people. Now set your budget and the duration for which you want the post to be boosted. This will determine how many people your post reaches. For that, you need to choose your payment method. Review your settings, and if everything looks good, click boost. And voila, your post is now on its way to reaching a much wider audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Got any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below.